Wow, the OPPO K series really has me puzzled. They actually added a small cooling fan to it. Is the OPPO K series going to follow the gaming phone route next? Come on everyone, let's unbox the OPPO K13 Turbo Pro in advance. Okay, there's an 80 watt fast charger below, along with a data cable, and it also comes with a dark grey silicone phone case. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. Its silver appearance indeed has a very gaming style, with a small fan positioned below the camera, and the back also incorporates some gaming phone design lines. What do you all think of this appearance? I can comprehend that a typical fan might extinguish a lighter, but incorporating a fan that can even be submerged in water to create bubbles is quite remarkable. It's the newly launched OPPO K13 Turbo Pro. I'm aware that everyone is curious about whether its robust fan is genuinely effective. Without further delay, today I will carry out a dual test in a 30-degree environment, which I have not tested previously. We'll concentrate on the frame rate stability of the Snapdragon 8S. As for whether its fan is useful, let's follow the usual routine and test it with the game I'm most familiar with, PUBG Mobile. To keep the data consistent with the previously tested Snapdragon 8SF4, we'll continue testing at a smooth 90 frames per second. To get straight to the point, even in such extreme conditions, I was surprised at how robust it is. In the main city area, with about 20 people jumping at the same time, it can easily maintain a stable 90 frames per second during the initial phase. The main reason might be its active upper-level sun protection and the Snapdragon 80 working together. Plus, its core can dive deep into the chip's bottom layer for tuning, fully unleashing its performance. Achieving stability in size is quite easy. I recorded a session in the middle and the success rate was 89.5%. This was with the fan at full capacity and power consumption at 6.15 watts, which is lower than I expected. After an hour, the battery dropped by 16%. The current ambient temperature is 31 degrees, with the device at about 44 degrees. My regular viewers know that at 30 degrees this is impressive. With this performance I must say its fan is indeed useful. I then played the highly requested Delta Force on the Long Sky Valley map at a smooth 120 frames for an hour. During this time I recorded a session with an average frame rate of 119.7 and power consumption around 5.2 watts. Although I rarely play this game, its optimization for Delta Force seems very good. The battery dropped by 19% in the last hour. The random temperature is around 43 degrees and it even dropped a bit, so the phone's peak performance with cooling is impressive. Additionally, it has 7,000 square millimeters of passive cooling, and the VC is like a dual buff. OPPO's approach is to maximize the cooling specifications to ensure transparency. The phone's performance ceiling is extremely high with active cooling, bold design, slow branch waterproofing, and high-strength, lightweight electric glass. It truly withstands heat, drops, and water. Surprisingly, the first big surprise in the smartphone industry for the second half of the year belongs to the OPPO K13 Turbo series.